Okay, question 1. Practice now 7. Just one. For question 1, what are the keywords that you can identify right now? Okay, so the keywords are remainder, divided. So this means I can make use of the remainder theorem. But always take note, if you want to make use of the remainder theorem, you must know what is the polynomial. Am I right? Is the polynomial given? Yes, but you must define the polynomial. I know most of you like fx, so I'll define my polynomial first. If the remainder is equal to 22, means they gave you already. Am I right? So let me write down. The remainder is equal to 22. But divided by x minus 1. The divisor is x minus 1. What value do you substitute into the polynomial? 1. But this one cannot press calculator. Why not? Yes, there is an unknown k. This is a backward problem. Okay? You are not finding remainder. You are using the remainder to find the unknown k. So, I need to substitute the value of 1, which is what the remainder theorem is about. Am I right? And this is equal to 22. So, what does this mean? I must put all my values of x to be 1. So, I'll substitute this statement, okay? I replace all my x by 1. Okay? Can we solve for k now? Very quickly. Is it negative 2? Then please underline the answer. Alright? Next, number 2. Okay, because I still need to read the question, I'm going to do it by the side. Slightly more complicated. But again, what are the keywords in this problem? Nosham? Remainder, divided, remainder, divided. Do you realize there are 2 remainder and the divisor are used twice? We have to be very careful. There are 2 different remainder and the divisors are used twice. But before we do anything, what is the very first step? The polynomial is given. We need to define the polynomial. I have used fx previously, so this one I change. Let me use gx. But if you want to use fx, please continue to do so. Okay, because this question has 2 divisors, so let me be very careful. The first divisor was x minus 1. Am I right? So let me write down. If the divisor is x minus 1, what do you put inside to find the remainder? What value of x? Why did I write x minus 2? Sorry, it's x minus 1. Okay, so you all said 1, right? So let me cut short a bit. So I no longer want to write the remainder r. I know I can find the remainder by putting into my polynomial, replace my x by 1. But did they tell us what is the remainder? Did they tell us what is the remainder? Negative 27. So now I need to put my 1 into the polynomial. Now put the value of x equal 1 into the polynomial. I cannot solve yet. A and B are two unknown. But is there a second information? Let us write out the second information. If my divisor is x plus 3, what value of x do I put inside? And what is my remainder? So same thing, now you need to replace your x by negative 3. So you have to do some tabulation. Do you notice you have two sets of equations? There's one on top. There's one I haven't finished. You have to complete. I have no space. Okay, you can continue doing. So with the two set of equations, there's A, there's B. Am I right that you can solve for simultaneous equation? Then you'll find your value of A and B respectively. And take note, that's the purpose of doing remainder theorem, because we need it in word problem. Word problem will not require you to do any long division.